This video covers PowerSDR 2.7.2 ke9ns revision S5. So I've been working on the DX spotter, and they added sun tracking and the gray line tracking. You can check these on or off, but it doesn't turn on until you enable the DX spotting. So I click the DX spotting. It'll actually try to open up NOAA space weather, and it'll put the sun on the map. It opens up a map that's built into PowerSDR and puts the sun on the map. Now you can see it better if I go into Panadapter mode. So the sun is going to move across the screen based on time, and the position of the sun is going to be based on the seasons. So this is going to move closer to the north in the summertime, and then closer to the south in the wintertime for the northern hemisphere. And the gray line is going to adjust to take that into account as well as time of day. So this shape is going to actually change based on the time of year. So we got the dark in the center, which is when the sun is below the horizon by 6 degrees or more, and then dusk around the perimeter. So I've also, in next to the sun, you'll see the solar flux index and the A index. And also, now if you right click on the center button, that'll open up the setup file. It'll go to appearance, display, and then there's now a color. You can choose the color of this gray line if you want. Choose from different colors if you want to try to gray it up, whatever color you want. But also the alpha, which is the transparency, you can choose to make it darker, or you can try to make it a little lighter. So now it's a lot lighter, and then that'll just continually move once a minute. I've upped the resolution of it. I've changed the way I do it, so now it's actually part of the background image, so everything goes over the top of it. It doesn't interfere with anything, and it doesn't interfere with the CPU speed. Next thing I've added is in the tracking notch filter. If you click on that, now if you right click, you can actually adjust the tracking notch filter, the width, so it makes it a little easier to try to quickly notch out something. It's not quite as narrow, so now you can actually adjust how narrow you want that tracking notch filter to be. So activate it, and it'll actually appear a lot wider. The other thing I added too is some factory default resets for the noise blankers and the noise reduction and all that, in case you want to experiment and you want to get back to the factory defaults. So that's it.